This is a certified pre-owned 2009 Lexus GX 470. It features a 4.7-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a limited-slip differential, a navigation system, a power sunroof, heated seats, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, front seat with memory settings, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, running boards, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 58,000 miles on the odometer. This Lexus has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Thank you for considering Lexus of Seattle for your next pre-owned vehicle. Please stop by our dealership to enjoy our full-service barista and relax in our comfortable, transparent buying process. For additional information, please visit our website or give us a call. We are conveniently located at 20300 Highway 99, just north of Seattle. We look forward to serving you.